Psychologist Salary. Psychologists are one of the most important mental health professionals in the United States. They typically have a doctoral degree in psychology, and they use their training to help people deal with mental health issues. The salary for a psychologist in the United States ranges from $80,000 to $120,000 or more per year. Psychologists work in a variety of settings. They may work in private practice, for a healthcare organization, or for the government. They may also work in schools, prisons, or hospitals. Some psychologists even work with businesses to help their employees deal with stress and other mental health issues. Psychologist Job Description. Psychologist job seekers typically have a doctoral degree in psychology. Although a master's degree may be sufficient for some positions, they may specialize in a particular area of psychology, such as counseling, forensic psychology, or health psychology. Psychologists typically work in one of several settings, such as universities, hospitals, clinics, or private practice. They may work with patients, conduct research, or teach. Counseling psychologists help people deal with mental, emotional, and behavioral issues. They may work with individuals, couples, or groups. Forensic psychologists apply psychology to legal issues. They may work with law enforcement to assess the mental state of criminals, testify in court, or provide expert testimony. Health psychologists study how psychological factors affect physical health and illness. They may work with patients who have chronic health conditions, consult with healthcare providers, or design health promotion programs. The job duties of a psychologist can also vary depending on their area of specialization and setting. However, some common duties include assessment, diagnosis, treatment, and research. Assessment involves collecting information about a patient's mental health and history. This information is used to make a diagnosis and develop a treatment plan. Diagnosis involves identifying the nature of a patient's mental health issue and determining the most appropriate treatment. Treatment may involve counseling, therapy, or medication. Psychologists also may design behavioral or cognitive behavioral programs to help patients change their behavior. Research is also a key part of the psychologist's job. Psychologists may conduct research on a variety of topics, such as human behavior, mental health, or learning. They may also design and implement studies to test new treatments or therapies. No matter where they work, psychologists typically have a very important job. They help people understand and deal with their mental health issues, which can make a huge difference in their lives.